Let's talk about cleaning the top of the refrigerator. Each and every cleaning, we should be cleaning the top of the refrigerator. This is the number one most missed area on any cleaning because why people don't see it. You don't see it, the clients don't see it. You need to get a step stool from the vehicle each and every cleaning to make sure you're able to see this area. Now, on initial cleanings, you're going to want to do a more detailed job like in this video. You're going to want to make sure you get around those nooks and crannies of the top of the arms of the doors. You want to make sure you go inside the gasket and wipe out any debris that we're able to get on that initial cleaning, because if you're being that detailed on the initial cleaning, it'll be a lot easier just to wipe down the top on the reoccurring cleaning. Let's work together to make sure this is no longer the number one missed area on every house cleaning, because why? Details matter.